Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a mid-size SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, panorama sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.